Okay, so I got an offer on the batteries. That was priced relatively low for what you're getting. 5 batteries and 2 chargers. Let me see what the offer is. Should I do that on another page? Open another tab. $25. Wow, really? You know what? I should probably just take that. How is that listed? Okay, so it's not free shipping. This also only has 78 views, whereas this has 263, 412, 132, another 132. You have to say 2. Let's see, I can't revise the listing, can I? Okay, some of the fields in this listing are not editable or edible at this time, so I can't eat all the fields or pronounce editable correctly. I did say in a previous video that I should probably break this up into 2 different sets. 1 charger, 2 batteries, and the manual. 3 batteries, and 1 charger separate, but I never did do that. Okay, so I had automatically accept anything over $65. That is a lot less than I thought. Okay, so 18 pounds. And the box did it's in there setting in. Yeah, I think I'll just accept that offer, because I don't know how much you know about NiCad batteries, but they're not all that great. The power, and I mean, I would literally go through all 5. These batteries charge and work really great, okay? But I would go through all 5 of these batteries in less time than one of the 4 amp hour lithium ion batteries that they have for these now. And the lithium ion batteries have more actual amperage, more power. The tools perform a lot better. So I think I'm going to take the opportunity to get rid of this poop and be done with it and just accept this person's offer. What do you think? It's not going that far. It's only going to Taylor's, South Carolina. Okay, so they're going to wind up, oh, they want UPS ground and $15.11. So I say we do that. Let me know in the comments if you think I did the right thing or did I just blow this totally. And I will see you in the next video.